agus chean cóla ar faríor tá orm an tunnad le tá fóstúnta ag grílar na Gaeltachta sa Carraroe a orda ríis tá sé ordaí go minic agam agus ní léon rud aithrí a faríor ach go bháin go bhfuil na crítéir atá le go síos ag an aimimeach sláinte a bhhaid níos Jack Rennish agus tá si de gráí léon éileh. Unfortunately, I have to once again talk about the closed day centre in Carraroe that remains closed. And the Minister, I'm appealing to you. COVID, 3 years later, a day centre closed. I have almost a library of responses. They change by the week. First of all, they couldn't open it. Then they needed a new place. Then it says they had new criteria. You have to be able to have your own transport, take your own medication. Then they said there was no demand. Then they said the bus was broken. A library, please, Minister, an essential service, you agree, still closed 3 years later. Masha the hell of Fredra.
I know you have raised the situation in relation to Áras Mhic Dara in the Gaeltacht in Connemara several times, and I actually looked for an update on it again this morning. So as to my last contribution in relation to this, as you know, the HSE facilitate the opening of this particular nursing home. They were in a position, staffing it, to open it 1 day a week recently in the last 6 weeks. Unfortunately, the demand for service hasn't been there, they say, and what they have done at the moment is that they are openly advertising on local media and on the newspapers to let people know this facility is open. I did seek an update again this morning, and I will revert to you as soon as I have it.